So next, we will look at the integration of composite function. Let's say generally, integration of ax plus b to the power of n with respect to x is equals to, so like previous, ax plus b power of the index raised by 1. So divide by the new index, but in this function or in this composite function, you have to remember that you have to pay attention on the coefficient of x. Since the coefficient of x is a, so we need to multiply by a in the denominator. Let's look at some example. Let's say number 1, integrate, let's say, x power of 3 to the power of 5 with respect to x. So it is impossible to expand x plus 3 for 5 times. So what we're going to do is we are going to use this formula. So now the index is 5. So we will raise the index by 1. So it will become 6 over 6. Since the coefficient of x means that the value in front of x here is 1. So we will multiply by 1. Then plus c. So here will become x plus 3 power of 6 over 6 plus c. Let us move on to the second example. Let's say more or less the same example. Now integration of, let's say, 2x plus 3 to the power of 5. So now the coefficient of x, before this is x, now will become 2x. So the integration will be 2x plus 3 power of 6, raise the index by 1 over 6. Now in this function, the coefficient of x is 2. So we will multiply by 2 plus c. So here is 2x plus 3 power of 6 over 12 plus c. So say example number 3. Integrate 1 minus 5x. Let's say here is power of 4. So from here, we will raise the index by 1. So it will become 1 minus 5x power of 5 over 5. So in this example, the coefficient of x is negative 5. So we have to multiply with negative 5 plus c. So here will be 1 minus 5x power of 5 over negative 25 plus c. Next, number 4. Let's say integrate square root of 3x plus 7 with respect to x. So from square root, again, I change to integration of 3x plus 7 power of 1 over 2 with respect to x. So we will raise the index by 1. So 1 over 2 plus 1, it will become 3x plus 7 power of 3 over 2. So 1 over 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2 over 3 over 2. So in this example, the coefficient of x is 3. So we have to multiply by 3 plus c. So here is 3x plus 7 power of 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 times 3 is 9 over 2 plus c. And finally, this one I bring to the numerator. From 9 over 2, it will become 2 over 9 in the bracket 3x plus 7 power of 3 over 2 plus c.